Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about a way you can make money online. It's called freelancing, and you can do it by on Fiverr, which is what I'll be explaining for now. On Fiverr, you can work your way, and then the website is called Fiverr.com. You can sell gigs from $5 to $10,000, which normally gigs can go for. It depends on what you're doing. So, yeah. And a gig is according to the website, a gig is bought every 4 seconds. And you can do things like design logos, develop apps, develop JavaScript, write articles like for blogs. You can edit videos. You can make thumbnails for YouTube channels or Instagram. You can edit Instagram Reels. You can make music. You can also be a social media marketer, and you can help out other people with what they need for their business. And yeah, that's one thing. That's in one website you could do it. Just letting you know, there's like an application time, which if you don't want that, we're gonna go to the second website. It's called search up Upwork.com, it's kind of like for businesses. You can you can on Upwork, you can do a lot of things, such as be a 3D visualizations freelancer. You could be a 3D printing expert if you're good at it. Really depends on what you're skilled at and what you like to do. And you can also be an animator. You can help with Amazon FBA, Amazon seller, and you can help with logo design. Like, it's kind of like the same as the previous website. And there's a lot of jobs you can do, as you can see. And this is probably the better one to do if you don't want to wait for like application times and like. But if you have time to wait, I recommend Fiverr, because you can sell a job. You can post a job whenever you want. And also with Fiverr, as you can see, and if you need help with your business, of course you can buy services on Fiverr, and you can sell gigs on Upwork as well. But Fiverr is better if you're willing to wait for the wait time. It's usually about 4 to 8 weeks. That's from personal experience, at least. And yeah, so that's basically what's going on with Fiverr and Upwork. Those are the two main ones, but there's another website you can do. It's called freelancer.com, the hummingbird one. You can if we go to find jobs, you can do a lot of things like websites, IT and software, mobile app development. You can help with AI, sales and marketing. You can also help with translations, health, and jobs for some jobs you don't even need experience. And yeah, that's another thing you could do. And freelancer.com is not as popular, but if you want less competition, then it could be could be a decent thing. I mean, so yeah, freelancer.com is not as popular as Fiverr and Upwork are, but it's also good because there's less competition, as I said. So yeah, it's guys, pretty much it. Pretty much it for today. Have a good day. Peace out.